If you're looking to drive growth using PartnerStack's affiliate features, you've come to the right place. PartnerStack allows you to tap into affiliate marketing and partnerships in a way that makes scaling your business both streamlined and efficient. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to leverage the full potential of PartnerStack's affiliate features to accelerate growth for your business. Stick around to the end, because I'm also offering you a chance to try out the software for free with some exclusive bonuses. PartnerStack's affiliate features are built to make affiliate management as easy as possible. From creating custom affiliate programs to tracking every referral, PartnerStack puts everything you need in one place. The first step is creating a program. This is where you can set up your affiliate commissions and structure. Whether you want a one-time payment, recurring commissions, or even performance-based payouts, you have full control. You'll want to tailor your program to your business goals, and PartnerStack makes this process easy with customizable templates and integrations. Once your program is set up, PartnerStack's affiliate dashboard becomes your best friend. This is where you can track every affiliate's performance in real time. It's one thing to set up an affiliate program, but how do you keep it running smoothly? PartnerStack has automated workflows that allow you to keep your affiliates motivated and engaged. You can set up automatic payments, send out performance updates, and even communicate with affiliates directly through the platform. Another feature that makes PartnerStack stand out is the ability to recruit and manage affiliates at scale. With PartnerStack, you can easily recruit affiliates through referral links and even run partner-specific campaigns. The software also allows you to build detailed partner profiles so you can track performance and ensure that you're working with affiliates that align with your brand. You can also create specific commissions for different affiliate groups, meaning you can give more incentive to top performers or high-value partners. But what about measuring success? That's where PartnerStack's advanced reporting tools come into play. You get in-depth analytics that show exactly how your affiliates are performing. Are they driving traffic? Are they closing sales? With this data, you can make adjustments to your affiliate program and optimize for growth. These insights are valuable not only for tracking affiliate success, but also for improving your marketing strategies overall. Now here's the kicker. PartnerStack also makes it easy to integrate with your existing systems. Whether it's your CRM, email marketing tools, or payment systems, the platform seamlessly integrates with over 1,000 different apps, making it a perfect addition to your current workflow. This means you won't be wasting time trying to piece together different tools to make your affiliate program work. By the way, if you're interested in giving PartnerStack a try, there's a special offer waiting for you in the description below. You'll get access to their features with a free trial, plus some exclusive bonuses to help you get started. Don't miss out. To wrap up, PartnerStack's affiliate features are designed to drive growth by making affiliate management easy, transparent, and scalable. With tools to recruit affiliates, track performance, automate payments, and integrate seamlessly with your existing systems, it's the perfect solution to grow your business. Take advantage of the exclusive free trial and bonuses available through the link below and start driving growth today.